As valued members of our Villanova program, as a season ticket holder, it's important that we get together this year and really make the Pavilion and the Wells Fargo Center packed houses that become the greatest environments in college basketball. We got to do this together. Our team is counting on you as a season ticket holder. Our ticket office has instituted a digital transfer system where you can transfer your ticket to a friend, to the Villanova ticket office, or you can use the secondary market to make sure your seat is filled every night. We really want you there, but if you can't be there, please help our team and make sure you put somebody in those seats by using our digital ticket transfer system. Now, we're going to start it out with our game November 4th against Northwood. We got to have that place packed. The whole 85 team is going to be back. We're going to be on national TV. Please come to the game. We want you there. But if you can't be there, make sure you use our transfer system and make sure that seat is filled. Go Cats.